Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope we are all doing well. My name is Salsabila Sahira. Here I will introduce the characteristics, skills, the best experience I have had in the past, and what efforts I will do now improve the quality of my life in the future. Page 1. Trait recognition. 2. Skill introduction. 3. Best stories of past experience. 4. Efforts to be made in the future. 1. Trait recognition. Bad attitude. 1. Less confident. I lack confidence when appearing in public. What I feel is nervous. Fear of mistakes when I convey something. I also experience shame. But with this, I always try to always be confident when appearing in public, when must be sure of what I show in public. All have advantage and disadvantage. 2. Difficultly trusting people, especially new people. Because I am not easy to adapt to new people, I have to understand the nature or character of the person, so that there is no mistake when I want to know the person, but I still try to adapt to new people and not be prejudged by them. 3. Stubborn. I feel stubborn in me because I really resist input or advice from other people and don't even like being advised. But I realize that I have a bad character, so from that I try to receive advice from others and respect that advice by choosing the good and the bad for me. 4. Slow. I am not fast at doing things because I want to get satisfactory result. Therefore, I am fairly slow in doing the things, but I will try to be on time to finish anything, and I try to manage my time well. Good attitude. To be responsible. If I make mistake, I apply myself to the responsibility for the mistake. It is my risk and must be professional against the rules. 2. Discipline. I feel I better obey the rules in my apple should be punished, but if I make a mistake, it's out of my control. I will be responsible for the error. 3. Good frugality. This trait isn't me. For example, when I want something, I have to consider whether I really need it or just lose. But if I am sure that I need the item, I will buy the item. 4. Humble. I feel humble because I know the abilities I have are still lacking. All I have nothing in myself. There is nothing to brag about in humans. We are all the same. 2. Skill introduction. Soft skill. The soft skill I have are among them. When able to work under pressure, I have to believe and be able to work under pressure. With me able to cope with high work volume. As a student, I am required develop an attitude like student who can work hard. 2. Ethics. I think you want to be as smart as anyone, have a variety of skills and abilities above average. If you don't have good ethics, courtesy, manners towards myself. 3. Able to work together. This is very important because each other, by being able to work together, we can get things done on time, and also be able to understand the character and the characteristics of each person, will mutually experience opinions and solve problems together in a timely manner. Hard skill. Proficient in computer. Build computer skills starting from basic knowledge such as typing, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and so on in order to be successful at work. So you will be better at doing jobs that make it easy. By studying this, I have felt many benefits for myself as well as many people. Although there are some computer applications that I haven't worked on, but I will try to use it. 2. Scheduling. In my activities, I always schedule and stay on schedule are hard skills. They are very useful, but in business and in my life, Effective scheduling means you can prioritize projects, understand the tools needed to get work done on time, and be able to organize to lead people. In the scheduling, must be able to write either in daily or weekly mode. 3. My best experience in the past. You may think this experience is normal, but in my opinion, this is very meaningful and motivating. Since I was in grade 5 elementary school until high school grade 12, I was always chosen to be the secretary. I was chosen not to volunteer with my lack of confidence in myself. I was determined to become a class device. What I feel is very fun, and I think this is great thing, but my assumption is wrong. Many of the lessons I learned were with reckless capital. I become confident, dare to speak in public, become sociable, dare to experience opinions with my introvert nature. Finally, I started learning to get out of this introvert zone little by little. 4. Efforts to be made in the future. 1. Able to minimize time well, having good manners ethics is better. 3. Improve my skills. 4. Make a lesson every in my life, good or bad. 5. Be more confident about appearing in public. 6. Always remember the struggle. My parents made sacrifice for me, and I repay all the kindness gift. So many presentations that I deliver, if there is an error in the words, I apologize and ask forgiveness to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.